Take a paper of 21 centimeter by 15 centimeter and draw a border of 1 centimeter around it. We'll start drawing with the legs of the elephant. Fairly draw two legs coinciding with each other, as if one is behind the other one. Join them. Draw a nice flat elephant, as we are trying to draw a mother elephant here carrying a baby elephant inside. Draw a huge trunk. Take time to do this. Don't be in a hurry. Madhubani is all about free hands, so you did not be artistic or exactly proportional about the motifs that you make. Okay, so we're drawing a baby elephant sitting inside the mother elephant. So in this case, since it is a side-sitting face, only two legs will be visible. And a cute one tail. With a fine marker, draw the borders and double line it. Also outline the whole drawing that you have done with the pencil. Enjoy doing this. This is a very stress-free step, as we have already done with the pencil out there. Draw an eye to each of them and a double line on the trunk. Take a small marker and make the borders to outline both the elephants. This is the main feature of Madhubani. All the motifs are outlined with double line. So that's the highlight of it. Did the same thing with the eye as well. Now we are going to divide the inner space of the elephant with further designs like this. Okay, we'll draw a double line curve on the head area and a patch on the neck region. Okay, so we get a space to fill up the designs with. We'll do similar things inside the baby elephant as well. It's fine if we don't get it exactly same. How much ever fits, we'll just keep on doing. So here's one on the head, one on the neck, and let's say the leg area as well. So it's the same as the mother. Kind of cute, isn't it? We'll do the same double lines on the back also. Now to fill up the ears, I just made these standing lines here. There you go. Okay, we'll give a curved border, curved design on the neck and the back flap. Also do the double line border here. We'll do the same thing on the crown of the baby elephant and the neck as well as the back. We'll start filling up the inner space. Just draw these circles and mark on the double line adjoining it. We'll do the same design on all the sides, like the crown, the trunk, the neck, the back, the legs. So it's gonna look like kind of these beautiful, let's say, ornaments or designs that is made on them.